Hey everyone, Justin from Qore Performance here with a quick instruction and setup video for our all-new IMS, or IcePlate MOLLE Sleeve. In this video, we're going to cover what's in the box, how it works, how to set it up, and a quick note on care and maintenance instructions. Let's get started. Okay, so what comes in the box? Well, if you got just the IMS itself, it's going to be just the IMS, just the IcePlate MOLLE Sleeve right here. This one's in multicam, and you'll see on the back it comes with 4 permanently connected and sewn MOLLE straps. If you got the IMS combo, well, 1, good on you. 2, you're gonna get 3 things, okay? You're gonna get the IMS, you're gonna get your IcePlate Curve with ice cap and safety shims, and you're also gonna get a proprietary Source 90, and by proprietary I just mean that we have the 90-degree cap. Otherwise the Source hose is exactly the same. So that's what comes in the box if you got either just the IMS or if you got the IMS combo. Next, we're gonna go into how it works. Okay, so how does IMS work? It's super easy. It's just a sleeve for your IcePlate. That's it. Super easy, nothing to break, nothing to go wrong. It is basically the world's thinnest, flattest, strongest hard cell hydration solution for plate carriers. This IcePlate MOLLE Sleeve just mollies to the back of any plate carrier with MOLLE. If you have a slick plate carrier or a plate carrier with, say, hook and loop Velcro, then instead you're going to want to take a look at our IMS Pro. And IMS Pro is going to be able to do conductive cooling and heating on the inside of your carrier, or do just external hard cell hydration only on the outside of your carrier. IMS Pro also has an adapter coming out where you'll be able to create a low profile plate carrier out of 2 IMS Pros. So super, super versatile product. It really is like the creme de la creme. Incredible power and versatility. But if you're looking for something that maybe your agency doesn't allow, laser cut solutions, laser cut laminates, and it just wants more traditional contemporary construction and gear looks, then IMS is the way to go. Traditional 500D nylon construction, traditional sewn permanently attached MOLLE straps on the back, nothing super fancy, available in Coyote, multicam, black, and range of green. Other than that, we've got a 3-inch loop field, identification loop field on it, and then traditional MOLLE, and then the same hook and loop Velcro closure bottom that is found on IcePlate EXO and IMS Pro. So that's pretty much how it works. Next we're going to get into how to set it up. Okay, so how do we set up IMS? IMS is very, very easy to set up. IMS combo, just as easy. So first thing you're going to do, we're going to start with a Qore JPC 2.0, fairly ubiquitous carrier, widely regarded as the standard. We've already laced our Source 90 tube through the shoulder straps for speed. And so all we're going to do is start by mollying in our IMS to the back of the carrier, and then we're going to show you how it even works with zip-on panels. Yes, you heard me right. So we're going to go ahead and start by mollying it in. Okay, so now once you've got your IMS molled onto the back of your plate carrier, before you put your IcePlate in, you're going to you're going to insert your Source 90 into the top drink tube routing port and then out the bottom drink tube routing port. Very, very important, because IcePlate will basically make it impossible for you to lace that through later. Then you're going to take your IcePlate Curve, shove it in there, secure your bottom Velcro closure. You got to pull a little bit of slack, then line it up, and then you're good to go. And you're going to hear that click. Then remember to put your safety shim back in place. And that is basically it. Super easy. Now for a little trick. We've been getting a lot of questions. Does IMS work with a zip-on panel? Yes. How does it do that? Well, super easy. You can, now that we've got our IMS on board, I'm going to take, this is the Qore MOLLE zip-on panel, and I'm just going to line it up, zip it down. You can secure these. For the purposes of this video, I'm not going to. Boom. Zip-on MOLLE panel from Qore Precision, zipped on to a Qore JPC 2.0 with IMS on board. Slickest, thinnest, most conformal hydration you are going to find. You have never been more comfortable during mounted operations or in a vehicle. I promise you that. If you've ever worn a bladder or some old school thing like that, it sucks. You know what I'm talking about. Care and maintenance instructions are really, really easy. Hose it off. That's it. Hose it off. It's 500D nylon. It'll be fine. If you really, really have to have it super sparkling clean and you are just that guy, then you can go ahead and throw it in your washing machine on a cold wash cycle with your favorite flowery laundry detergent, and I'm sure you will make all the bros on your team super jelly that you smell like a chick. So go ahead and do that, and I'm sure you will be the most popular guy in your team room. Other than that, hopefully this was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, hit us up on email. You can DM us on Instagram. You could hit us up on live chat on our website, or you can go super old school, pick up the phone and call us. We actually do answer the phone during business hours. We're kind of old school that way too. And if you found this content helpful, then we would really appreciate it if you could smash that like button, drop a comment down below, subscribe to our channel, and share this with one of your buddies that you know could benefit from relieving neck strain that comes from not being able to sit flat in your vehicle, and who also doesn't want to suffer from soft bladder syndrome, because we all know how much that sucks. So that's pretty much it for now. We will see you guys next time, and until then, stay frosty.